Eggless pudding, no baking, no mold needed. In a pan, we'll start by adding a cup of sugar. We'll stir until the sugar melts into caramel. That's perfect. Now add half a cup of water. After mixing, we've reached the ideal consistency. Now, pour the cooled caramel into disposable cups. Chill these, and in a bowl, we'll add 1 395-gram can of condensed milk, 2 cans of heavy cream, 5 tablespoons of powdered milk, 200 milliliters milk. Then whisk everything well. Add a packet of hydrated plain gelatin. Mix again. Now pour this mixture into our cups. Refrigerate until it sets. Look how amazing our cup puddings turned out. Now I'll unmold one onto a plate. Enjoy and drizzle the leftover caramel on top. This pudding's delicious. Try it. Everyone will love it. Hope you like this recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.